ready to level up your team's productivity and unlock Asana's full potential. Let's dive into how to upgrade to Asana Premium for your organization. First, make sure you're logged into Asana as an administrator. This is key because only admins have the power to manage the organization's subscription. Once logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. In the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. This will take you to the central hub for managing your Asana organization. Now, on the left-hand sidebar of the Admin Console, you'll see a few options. Click on the Billing tab. This is where all the magic happens related to your Asana subscription. Here you'll see your current plan details. To upgrade, click on the Upgrade button. It's usually brightly colored and easily visible. You'll now be presented with the available Asana plans and their features. Review the premium plan details carefully. It offers advanced features like custom rules, advanced search and reporting, and priority support. Once you've decided on premium, select your billing cycle, either monthly or annually. Annual billing usually offers a discounted rate, so it's worth considering if you're committed to using Asana long-term. Then, specify the number of members you will have on the premium plan. The cost adjusts accordingly. Next, enter your payment information. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finally, click the Confirm Purchase button to finalize your upgrade to Asana Premium. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded to Asana Premium. Now, explore those new features and watch your team's collaboration soar.